tell me about the three little pigs.
One little pig built a house with some straws, and the big bad wolf was coming, and he blowed it down.
Yeah?
And
How did he blow it down?
And next little pig built his house out of sticks, and the big bad wolf was coming again.
Yeah?
And he blew it down.
How did he blow it down? He puffed and puffed.
Yep, and he puffed and puffed, puffed and puffed, and puffed and puffed, and blew it down.
Yeah? Then what?
He was dancing away.
Yeah? What about the third little pig?
The third little pig built a house with the pigs. And the third little pig needed door, roof, bricks to build a brick house.
Yep.
Can you take a picture of it?
Sure. And what happened with the third little pig's house?
The big bad wolf didn't blow the brick house down.
He couldn't do it?
No. When I be a wolf, I didn't blow houses down.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, say peace out.